Hi bananas, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm with my little brother and today is going to be a firework video. Say hi.
Hi, fireworks.
That's my little brother. Say hi YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say hi bananas.
Bananas.
He can't talk, he's 2. Do you want to see a jump scare? Just kidding. I don't need a jump scare. But today's a firework video. You know? Lamborghini poster. Ooh. How do you... Did you see that?
Mommy?
Go up there, go up there. I want to see the top of my bed. There's my little brother's. Sorry about that. I said it did, but I'll do my hair if you give me 100 likes. So
Bunch. Hey, go.
today's a firework video, but watch until it's night time. Mom, can I record for the fireworks since it's a firework video?
So did you do an intro?
Yeah,
Okay. Did you stop
and
the-
subscribe. Sorry about that. Stop there, but if you stopped, I'm sorry. Because if you went back on, I'm sorry, but I'm uploading this video just because it's a firework video. But
What are you do?
I'm gonna do a part of it, but I want you to see.
It looks so
Sorry. Firework video, duh. We're outside. Is that cool?
Mama help you. You gotta hold it and you have to pull it.
Was it?
Hold it and you have to pull it. He does not know where that
I'm trying to.
scary with these fireworks, bro.
I want to do this one.
is. You think?
Yeah.
Set it up and go do it.
What do you do?
Let's see a tank. Yeah. That's cool.
I think I found a firework.
Sorry about the noise. I'll be right back.
Dump them all out. After I said he's gentle with me, crazy around, he dumped them all out. Hey, Landon.
Stay back.
Bryson's gonna light his tank.
Oh. Sorry about that, guys. But not that close, right?
Is that what you record for you?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hold on. Let's see.
I'll get you one.
Move your legs. Is that a good view right there?
Yeah.
No, look at the screen. Can you see?
Yeah.
Then is that better?
Guys, it's right there, okay?
I can't see where you're pointing.
I'm just talking to the
Okay, don't burn me in the eye with that. Run away.
one.
Tell him Landon. Don't touch it while you're lighting it. There you go. Don't run near me with that. Mom, run to Mom. Nope, you gotta run. Blow the end of your punk. Oh, blow it. I do it. Hold on.
Here, Dad, you just do it.
Here.
I'll. So, guys, my dad's gonna do it.
The fire.
My dad's doing
Thanks
it.
for trying. Flip your camera around.
I want you.
Like this.
I want you.
You can't. It's a video.
You flip the video.
Wait.
Landon, you gotta go.
Okay, do it.
I'm looking at it.
Tip it down a little bit more. There you go. Ready? Landon, move, girl, and mom. Run, run. Oh.
That scared me.
Is it like that, guys?
A snake. No, it's not.
Put it down.
He's like, what's...
I got it.
All right, very close.
Why?
You need to just sit there and record everything.
No, I want...
Have some fun.
I want to do that one.
I want chicken.
That's for night.
I want
Yeah, this
chicken.
one has
The chicken, you did yours. Bryson has a chicken too.
This smoked one.
Come on.
This smoked. This smoked one.
Football, mom.
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna use this.
Look, Bryson's gonna do his first.
Oh, it's gonna smoke like. I don't smoke, but I just smoke like. Just smoke like. And this one is done.
That's right. My turn. Take your turn, right?
Ow.
And here you go.
Yeah, I need 2 hands for this. But stand a little close since. That's one of them.
Whoa!
Smoke. Get there.
Get in there.
I want to pick it up. It's mine. I'll pick it up.
Right. Yeah, careful. Okay, like that. There you go. Will you help? Will you help your brother like this?
That's cold.
He's picking up all the time.
That's good, Bry. Loud. Parachute, parachute. Both of them. Oh, they're tangled together.
Oh, there he goes, there he goes, right there.
Don't touch.
Yeah.
Don't touch the end.
Parachute.
Slow down, slow down. Was it loud?
No.
They're tangled together. Let me get it for you. Hot.
Guys, was that a cool video? Was that firework cool? I'm going inside the fence on the trampoline. Come on. Can I do it? Can I walk? Can I?
Yeah, come on. It's a huge
I'm
fuse and it's a
vlogging.
tiny rocket.
I'm vlogging.
Let me tell you.
Ready?
I
I love that orange.
I love it.
Okay, we're gonna light it.
It's
Go.
This is my vlog right when it is out there.
Go. Run, 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 run.
Run.
There you go.
Run.
Tree, leaves. Here comes some leaves.
Where'd it go?
Here comes tree. That's pretty. It hit the tree.
Where's the rest?
Oh, it exploded. I do that every year in honor of my dad. His famous fireworks over. So I have to
Can I?
On the bottom right.
Mom.
Yeah, it landed right by you.
Can I vlog with your phone, but not jump on the trampoline?
That cool?
Back segment, going back here, back down.
That's one. That's
Bryson.
Your ending video.
Mama
Put it
walk
in.
it. Mama
Okay, but I'm gonna
That rocket man or thank you.
bye bye bananas. But I'll say bye and peace.